Imagine walking into your favorite coffee shop and being greeted not by a barista, but by a digital assistant on a screen. This is the reality that's already unfolding in many parts of the world. As AI continues to infiltrate our daily lives, it's becoming increasingly difficult to distinguish between what's human and what's machine. But the impact of this shift won't be limited to just customer service interactions. According to recent reports, by 2025, a staggering 75% of all businesses will have deployed some form of AI technology on their premises. This means that millions of people around the world will soon find themselves interacting with machines instead of humans at work. And it's not just about interacting with AI in the workplace. A recent survey revealed that nearly 60% of consumers already prefer to use chatbots for customer service, citing convenience and speed as the main reasons. But what happens when these chatbots start making decisions on our behalf? As we increasingly rely on machines to manage our lives, are we taking a risk by giving them more autonomy? One expert has warned that this is precisely what's happening. We're creating an AI-driven feedback loop where humans are relying more and more on machines to make decisions for us. The implications of this phenomenon are far-reaching, from the erosion of human skills to the potential for AI bias and manipulation. As we continue down this path, it's essential that we start asking some tough questions about what we're creating and what the consequences might be. For instance, if 75% of all businesses are deploying AI technology, how many jobs will be lost? And how many people will struggle to adapt to a world where machines are increasingly making decisions on their behalf? The numbers are stark. By 2030, it's estimated that up to 30% of the global workforce could be displaced due to automation. This means that millions of people around the world will face an uncertain future as they try to navigate a rapidly changing job market. As we delve deeper into this topic, one thing becomes clear: the AI revolution is not just about technology, it's also about the impact on human society. We need to ask some hard questions and consider what this means for our collective future. As we delve into the world of AI revolution, it's essential to understand the magnitude of its impact on our daily lives. The estimated statistic that 50% of all customer service interactions will be handled by artificial intelligence by 2023 is a stark reminder of how quickly this technology is transforming the way businesses interact with their customers. In recent years, we've seen major companies like Amazon and Microsoft integrate AI-powered chatbots into their platforms to handle routine inquiries. For instance, Amazon's Alexa has become an integral part of many households, assisting users with tasks ranging from setting reminders to ordering products online. However, this shift towards AI-driven customer service is not limited to the tech industry alone. A recent study by McKinsey found that 30% of all business interactions will be handled by chatbots and other forms of artificial intelligence by 2025. This includes industries like healthcare, finance, and education, where human interaction is crucial. As AI becomes more prevalent in our lives, it's natural to wonder how many users will be impacted by this revolution. A report by Gartner predicts that 85% of customer service interactions will be handled without human intervention by the year 2025. This means that millions of people around the world will have to adapt to communicating with machines instead of humans. The AI revolution is not just limited to customer service, it's also transforming industries like transportation, education, and healthcare. For instance, companies like Waymo are using self-driving cars to transport passengers, while medical institutions are leveraging AI-powered diagnostic tools to improve patient care. As we navigate this rapidly changing landscape, it's essential to understand the implications of AI on our daily lives. Will we see a significant reduction in jobs as machines take over routine tasks? Or will AI create new opportunities for humans to focus on more complex and creative work? In the world of artificial intelligence, a key development that's been quietly gaining momentum is the integration of AI-powered chatbots into everyday applications. Companies like Microsoft, Google, and Amazon have already begun to integrate these intelligent assistants into their services, with impressive results. One notable example is Microsoft's Xiao, an AI-powered chatbot that has gained over 660 million users worldwide. What's remarkable about Xiao is its ability to understand natural language and respond accordingly, often in a more empathetic manner than human customer service representatives. Similarly, Google's Duplex technology allows businesses to create their own AI-powered virtual assistants, capable of handling complex conversations with customers. This technology has already been adopted by major brands like Domino's Pizza and McDonald's, demonstrating the potential for widespread adoption. But what about the impact on individual users? According to a recent report, 70% of consumers prefer interacting with businesses through chatbots rather than human representatives. This trend is expected to continue, with AI-powered customer service interactions projected to reach 50% by 2023, as we mentioned earlier. The implications are significant. With AI handling an increasingly large share of customer interactions, the need for human customer support agents may decline, potentially leading to job losses in this sector. At the same time, businesses will be able to streamline their operations and reduce costs, passing these savings on to customers through lower prices or improved services. As we continue to explore the AI revolution, it's essential to consider both the benefits and drawbacks of these emerging technologies. The impact on users will be far-reaching, with many people experiencing firsthand the advantages of interacting with AI-powered chatbots. But as we'll see in future segments, this is just the beginning. The full extent of the AI revolution has yet to be revealed. The AI revolution hits your computer, how many users will be impacted? As we've seen so far, the integration of artificial intelligence into our daily lives is accelerating at an unprecedented rate. But what does this mean for you and me? Let's take a closer look at some real-world implications of this trend. By 2023, it's estimated that over half of all customer service interactions will be handled by AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. This has significant implications for industries such as finance, healthcare, and e-commerce. According to a report by Gartner, the use of AI in customer service is expected to save companies up to 30% on operational costs. But it's not just businesses that are affected. As AI becomes more ubiquitous, we're also seeing a shift towards more automated processes in our personal lives. For example, Amazon has announced plans to integrate its Alexa virtual assistant with thousands of third-party apps and services, making it possible for users to control everything from their lights to their cars with just their voice. As AI-powered tools become increasingly sophisticated, they'll begin to blur the lines between human and machine interaction. We're already seeing this happen with platforms like Google's Duplex, which uses natural language processing to book appointments and make reservations on behalf of users. But what about jobs? As automation takes hold, how will it impact the workforce? According to a report by McKinsey, up to 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide due to automation by 2030. However, it's worth noting that while AI may replace some jobs, it will also create new ones. In fact, a study by the World Economic Forum estimates that while 75 million jobs may become obsolete, another 133 million new roles may emerge. The question is, how prepared are we for this shift? As AI continues to transform our lives in ways both big and small, it's essential that we understand the implications and start planning for a future where machines play an increasingly prominent role. As we delve deeper into the realm of AI-driven customer service, a pivotal moment emerges, the turning point that will forever alter our relationship with technology. By 2023, an estimated 50% of all interactions with companies will be handled by artificial intelligence, leaving many to wonder what this shift means for human workers. According to a report by Gartner, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are expected to displace up to 85 million jobs globally in the next decade. This alarming statistic is not just limited to call centers and customer service departments, it's a widespread phenomenon that will impact numerous industries, including finance, healthcare, and education. Take for instance, the retail industry, where AI-driven chatbots like Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant are already changing the way customers interact with brands. A study by Oracle revealed that 80% of businesses believe that integrating chatbots into their customer experience is crucial to remaining competitive in today's digital landscape. But what does this mean for human workers? As AI assumes more responsibilities, many jobs will become redundant, at least, in their current form. According to a McKinsey report, up to 30% of the global workforce may need to be retrained by 2030 as automation and AI transform the job market. While some argue that AI-driven customer service is an inevitable step towards increased efficiency and productivity, others warn of the devastating consequences on human livelihoods. It's estimated that over 1 billion people worldwide will require significant reskilling or upskilling by 2025 to remain relevant in a rapidly changing job market.